Hello. Today I'll be demonstrating that my RESTful API functions properly. So I've got my Swagger output.json file that was auto-generated by AutoGen, Swagger AutoGen, and yeah, this is the file. All right, I'm going to demonstrate using render that this API is functioning properly. So if you look here, I've got two collections. I've got the posts collection. This is my MongoDB database. I've got my posts collection, and I've got 5 posts in there. And then I've got my comments collection, and I have 3 comments in there. And so I'm gonna go straight to, I'm just gonna close this. This is my render dashboard, and this is the URL where my API is served. All right, this is the home page, and I'm going to go to API docs. All right, so here are my endpoints for each collection. Each collection has got 5 endpoints. All right, so the posts, get, posts, get posts with an ID, update a post with an ID, and delete a post using an ID. Then I've got comments, post a comment with the post ID, get a comment with the post ID, get a comment with a comment ID, update a comment with a comment ID, and delete a comment with a comment ID. So I'm going to test these APIs, these endpoints, to see if they work properly. So I'm going to try it out there. This is my get posts. I'll execute, and as you can see, I've got my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 posts, which are found right here on my database. 5 posts, post 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I'll just minimize that. And then I've got a post route for posting a post. So I'm going to just say walking um, walking on the moon. Yesterday, my neighbor caught a kangaroo sitting on his roof eating mangoes and singing um, yeah, just singing, whatever. I'll execute, and there it is. That's the curl command, and the response. It's a 200. It's a success. The post has been saved. We can go to my database and check it out. Let's see. I will just refresh. Refresh. And now you see I've got 6 posts right now, and there's my last post that I made. walking on the moon yesterday in May, blah, 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 blah. And then I'm gonna minimize that so that works. In the meantime, while I'm here, I might as well just grab a post ID and I'll minimize that. Then I'll go to my get posts using post ID. I'll try it out. I'll put in that post ID that I just grabbed, and voila, success. There is post one. I went to the garden to fetch some mint leaves. All right, so the get with the post ID is working. Now let's go to um, update a post using a post ID. Try it out, and I'll put in the ID. I will say post one. Um, the green tea was very bitter, and I fly to work on a flying saucer. I'll execute, and there, post one was successfully updated. And then I will go on to the database and I'll refresh. You see that post one was successfully updated. All right, and I'll move on to the next endpoint, which is delete posts. I don't think I want to delete post one. I'm just gonna, you know what? Yeah, I'll just delete post one. It's all right. Try it out. Put post one's post ID and execute, and the post is deleted. We can check that the post is deleted by refreshing in there. And there we are. We're starting now. We have 5 posts, and we're starting with post 2, meaning post 1 is gone. It's deleted. Again, while I'm here, I guess I've deleted the post that had comments. Yeah. In any case, I am going to grab this ID for post number 2, and then I'll go to my comments collection. First, I'll get. Let me post some a few comments on this post, and I'll just put in the ID number there, and I'll say I like what you said here. It is very true. And I'll say author Hugo, and I'll save it. There you go. I've created a comment. Let me just create a few more this post. The police are chasing a wild hog that stole my bananas. Execute. And then I'll create another one last one and say I bought myself a walkie-talkie so I can communicate with my friend on the third floor. I'll change this to Terry. Execute, and that has been successfully created. That comment has been successfully created. We can check here to see if that comment indeed exists. Alright. We have 6 comments. There's the comments that are created. I like what you said here. It's very true. Hugo, the police are chasing a wild hog that stole my bananas, Hugo. And I bought myself a walkie-talkie. So I can make some new comments using post comments. Now let's try to get these comments using the post ID. Execute, and you'll see those comments that I created 1, 2, 3. And then I will come here and just minimize that. I will check get comments using a comment ID. Alright, while I'm here, I'll just grab one comment ID. There you go. I'll copy that. Wait, what am I doing? And then I'll minimize that. Come in here, try it out, put in a comment ID that I just grabbed, and execute, and the comment will be displayed right there. Comment with that ID. Alright, so that's functioning properly again. Let's go to put. Let's update a comment using a comment ID. Try it out and paste in that. Say I am updating this comment because it gives me a heartburn. And then I will just put my name there. Steve. Of course I'm not Steve, but yeah. Execute. Oh yeah. I went too crazy there deleting stuff. Execute. And it's a success. the comment has been updated. You can check that on MongoDB, refresh, and see that the comment with the ID that I copied. Okay, comments support. Okay, there you go. There's the comment that I updated. Now let's move on to the next. The comments, delete comments using a comment ID. This will be our last endpoint. Put in that ID and let's execute. And it's a success. Comment deleted. Come in here, refresh the page, and the comment with that ID is gone. So it was right here. It was right here in before these two. So it is gone. It's been deleted. All right. That is it. I have shown that my API works. It's got post, put, delete, get. Okay, another thing that I need to show is that I've got error handling in my code. So if you check here, I've got a try catch for my put, and for my delete, I got a try catch statements there. I've got try catch, got another try catch. So I've got error handling baked into my code, and returning 500s status codes for when there's an error. Yeah, thank you for watching. This is it. One more thing I need to show, I think, is that if I don't input the correct requirements, let's just go to post or put. Go to put that ID, and I'll try to remove. I'll remove the title there. Just make sure it's a valid JSON code, and then I'll execute. Yeah, as you can see, I get an error of 400 there, and it tells me I've got the response body telling me that the title is required, and I've got an invalid value for this field. So yes, I think I am done. Thank you for watching.